This week on Life on Jupiter, my husband leaves me. I'm alone in Mexico on the anchor.
It's just a lot of movements, swaying everywhere.
Baby.
Take care, Maddie.
I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Yeah.
So I'm now alone here on the boat. Jamie left this morning and I'm a bit stressed because I don't want to be alone on the anchorage getting this kind of 20 knots of wind every day. And all the boats here are facing different way because of the current. I'm just hoping that there's no boat will anchor near me. It's just stressful.
You can see the monohull is facing this way, and we are facing this way. We're all facing different ways.
This is what I'm scared of. It is so windy today and rolly at the same time. But I'm glad there's no boats anchored near me because I'm gonna be very worried about the boat. You know, as much as possible, I don't want to bother people to help me. I want to just relax and wait for Jamie. So right now, I'm gonna make video. Okay, time to do some editing. Yay, it's a beautiful day. Finally, it's calm. And now I'm confident to go out and go to the grocery. And let's see if I can do it. I never tried to drive the dinghy by myself. Okay, it'll be fine. So the problem is how I can go to dinghy because I can't reach it. I'm back. I tried to turn on the engine, the outboard, and then it's not turning on, or it's not powering on. And then I called Jamie. He told me something to pull and then power it on, then it works. And then I saw lots of smoke. I thought it's like overheated or something. And then when I removed the line attached to the dinghy from our boat, from Jupiter, it's not moving forward. It's like stopped. So I tried reverse, it's more working. Idle's working, but forward is not working. So I'm guessing it's the problem that we always have is the shear pin. After that, I tried to do reverse on the outboard and it turned off by itself. The option I have to do the rowing in the downwind current. So I'm battling to the current to go back to the boat. And people are staring at me. Not even help me. It's just staring. This is why I don't want to drive the dinghy, because it's embarrassing me. It's not because I don't want to drive. I love driving. But it's just pain in the ass. Every time I'm gonna drive it, it's doing some problems. Tired. I just want to go out. What a beautiful day. So last night I slept so well. I slept early because I'm so tired. Maybe it's like an exercise for me, rowing the dinghy for 30 minutes. And then I had a friend, a cruiser, who helped me go ashore. Yeah, and then I went to Walmart to get some groceries. And then when I come back here, I slept early, like 7 o'clock. I didn't wake up in the middle of the night where I usually do. I slept straight 7 o'clock to 6. It's so good. I feel so good. It's actually full moon. I noticed that every time we go sail, it's full moon because the weather is like this. Very calm, beautiful. I did my yoga this morning, have some coffee, and then I'm gonna finish some videos. I feel so good. I hope this is gonna be every day, like calm. You see that boat? He tried to anchor here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there. Where I know he's gonna hit our boat. And then, and I went out here and do this. And it worked. Oh my God. I never do that in my life. I don't know how to, be aggressive or make angry to people. I feel bad, but I have to do it. Yeah, but I didn't do any action or make face. I just do this. So cute. Aw, feel bad. Poor flag. It's funny that the weather changed so fast. Now it's crazy windy again. And I think this is the cruisers telling me that there's gonna be like a heavy current gonna happen soon. And so I checked. The wind is only 15 knots. I don't think we're dragging. We're good. Hi crew! I'm still here at the anchorage, and this morning I did.
Hi, crew. Hi, crew. Hi,
Can you see
crew.
him? Yeah, Jamie is here.
I'm from Cleveland, Ohio this morning.
I'm not sure if you can see him, so maybe I'll go here.
So I'm very wife. She started the water maker this morning. It's running right now, and it has not broken yet.
Why? Why I broke it?
Well done. Bye-bye.
Yeah. It's very simple, you know, but yeah, if something breaks, it's my fault.
No, but it's very delicate. You can't make a mistake.
I know.
So you did really well. I'm very proud of you. So I've still got one more week of work, and then I'll come back to Jupiter. And how are you doing alone on the boat? Maybe you had a big problem, didn't you?
Yeah, a few days ago, I tried to go ashore with the dinghy, and then the forward gear is not working. The reverse is working, the idle is working, but when I try to go forward, it's not moving forward. And then I can't turn it on anymore. So I tried to row, and it took me 30 minutes because it has a lot of current and wind. But right now it's pretty nice. It's really calm, smooth water, no current.
So it took you 30 minutes to get back to the boat, so you didn't get to go ashore, did you?
No, but people are staring at me, makes me embarrassed because nobody helped me. They just looking at me if they're waiting for something happen,
They probably got their phones ready.
Oh my god. You're so mean.
Did you get ashore?
Oh yeah, because we have a friend. So they're Americans, and I really want to thank them for helping me go ashore. And I did my shopping to go Walmart and get some food.
Yeah. And now they've left, haven't they? So you got to find
I
someone
think
else
so. Yeah.
to help you go ashore. So you're gonna have to talk on the radio soon.
Yeah. I'm really shy. It's pretty here, B. I wish you're here.
Me too. Me too.
Yep, it's dancing time. This is the time of the day that all the boats are dancing. They're all facing different ways. So there's a boat anchored near us earlier, and ask me if I'm okay with them anchoring near me. But I think it will be fine. They're now far away from us, and earlier we're facing that way and we're like near to each other. And today Jamie is arriving from San Diego, and he will be here in around 1.5 hours. And I'm making dinner. So this is the last meat that we have right now on the boat, because I haven't been go ashore for the last 10 days. So I'm making, guess what? Adobo. Pork adobo. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, low heat. And I'm making some brown rice. Yep. So when Jamie arrives, he has some food to eat, you know? Although we don't have much food anymore, so we might go shopping soon. So I hope he can fix her outboard. So I told you earlier that there's a guy come here with his dinghy to check if I'm okay with their boat anchored near us, and I'm so desperate, and I ask him, and I ask a favor if he can pick Jamie in the jetty there in the water taxi dock. I feel bad. I feel I'm a stranger and I just met this guy, but that's like an opportunity already, like to ask somebody, because I can't ask in the radio. I'm so shy. So he said okay. He said yes, I'm happy to help. Yeah, so he's gonna pick Jamie later, and I'm gonna tell Jamie that someone will pick him up. So I'm excited to see my husband. I miss him so much. And then after this, I don't know how much longer we are going to stay here, but we're planning to go to Penasco. So we have already a date to haul out. That's gonna be in 2 weeks. So after that, we can relax and just, stay in one place, and no need to fly, and just relax. We are going to stay in Phoenix. We rented a house, an apartment, an Airbnb in Phoenix, so we can go to the boat easily. Like, I think it's 3 hours from Phoenix to Penasco. And just, just relax a bit, because it's also hard to fly in and out of Mexico to America all the time. It's wasting our 2 days off. So instead of doing that, we're just gonna get a house, and this time we are going to look for a car, because we need a car to go somewhere and maybe get some RV. Well, we are trying to look for an RV, because we can afford to get a house right now, so RV will be perfect. So right now I'm just waiting for Jamie. I think I can see Jamie now. So they're there. Feel like it's not a good time to pick up somebody. It's just so rolly, and they're gonna get wet, and Jamie's brought a lot of stuff, luggages.
Sideways, like if you go around there. Yeah, let's see. Hi.
Welcome home. Not too current.
Yeah.
can give me the rope. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Yay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You gotta always happy to help out a fellow creator. So, some new people. Here, I'll keep us nice and tight while you back off.
Yeah.
There we go. Excellent. All right, cool.
Thanks very much, man.
Thanks
See you
so
tomorrow.
much,
Yeah,
Michael.
tomorrow.
Probably 5-ish.
Yeah, sounds great. Sundowning's good. All right, see you
Bye.
then. Take care.
Welcome home, Abby. How's your trip?
Yeah, it was all good.
Yeah?
Just took forever.
Oh my god. Seems like a year ago.
I know. Missed you so much.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's not a good time to pick you up, you know?
yeah, it's rough.
So earlier it's so calm. Finally. How's Michael?
Yeah, nice guy.
Nice guy. Are you hungry? I made dinner.
Really?
I
Yeah.
cooked dinner. I cooked Philippine food.
All the bags. Made it. Unopened. That's a
Yeah.
good thing.
What is that? What is this thing? Syria?
So how do you cheers? You just do this. Cheers.
So we had a great day today. Jamie swam with the seals.
We realised it's a huge school of these whales. I think they're finback whales. This is a massive school of whales. Look, just there.